some boxes, but we got the IMAX camera, Trojan horse, and then we also have a tin with a cup.
Could I see what the tin and the cup look like?
Of course. Here you guys are. Tin and the cup. And then just a heads up, I just need to see that you guys bought tickets for the Odyssey because the studio wants us to verify that every purchase has a ticket attached. Alright, so I got the 2 tickets and the 2 buckets. It's gonna be $137.96. Here you guys go. Theater 8 when you come back is gonna be on that side to the right.
Okay.
And there you guys go.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Hey guys,
and we get to watch the movie. And this is what?
The Odyssey.
No, I mean, what is this item?
An IMAX camera.
IMAX camera. Oh. Wow. Okay. I feel like that thing is built like in the 80s, that VHS camera. What?
Attaches to the side, so then it's angled like this. In there.
Hold on. Let's see, attach it. Oh, nice. Then you're supposed to put it on your shoulder. That's how they did in the 80s. Yeah. Yep. Literally, that's how my dad used to record us when we were playing outside or camping. That is too awesome.